What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. A lot to talk about again in this video. We have reached new highs, or at least new local tops. We haven't hit these levels since, well, when was it? Since May and the beginning of June last year. Very bullish, has multiple reasons. We'll talk about that in general. We'll talk about everything, hopefully, you need to know. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join the trading signal group, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now on with Bitcoin. So as I said, we briefly touched that 31,000 level. In general, to start off with the technicals, because we have some fundamentals to talk about as well. But fundamentally, I mean, we already talked about this yesterday, and I also said this when the inflation rate came out, that I did expect us to still get up to our next resistance level, which there's a small level around 31,000, but the main resistance level really is this level between 31,300 and ultimately 32,200, which it's a pretty big level. I do not expect us to reach that upper kind of level around 32,000 very easily. Also, given that there's just already at 31,300, there's quite a lot of resistance, but I do think we can get there. Let me adjust the camera real quick. I do think we can get there. We broke above. You could see this level between 30k, 30k 500 and 700 as a resistance. We broke above that. This candle is closing in about 40 minutes, so we won't see that in this video. But altogether, I think that's the next move. I mean, we'll probably find some resistance from 31k, and then if we can hold this level around 30,500 and 30,700, which I do expect, it's not guaranteed, but I think it's the most likely scenario. Then I think we can also get up to this level right here. Between, I would say, the first real resistance is between 31,300 and 31,700. Now, as I said, we could also, there's this chance that we do not hold 30,500 ultimately as a support. And that's mainly because, I mean, obviously the whole economic situation with the US dollar is bullish for Bitcoin. It's very weak right now, but we are near a major support level. And I expect some support from there. I mean, we started dropping obviously after the inflation rate, but since then we have not dropped down that much more. And in general, I do expect, as I said, some bullish momentum, some recovery from here, which is going to cause bearish momentum or bearish pressure from Bitcoin. And apart from that, to talk about more fundamentals, I think, which is actually something we haven't seen for a while, I think a lot of this bullish momentum also comes from Ethereum. Yes, I think Bitcoin is moving after Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum, and we talked about that briefly yesterday. I did not expect it, but we talked about it. We talked about that if there's some sort of relief after you expect a lot of selling pressure to come in with the Shanghai upgrade. And if you don't get that, that causes a lot of bullish momentum. And I think that's what happened with Ethereum. But Ethereum is also nearing a major resistance level between 2150 and 2200. So yeah, those two things. So Ethereum at resistance, dollar strength index as support, leads me to believe that we will find resistance for Bitcoin soon, whether that is right here or a little bit above us at around 31,250, as I said earlier. That remains to be seen. I think we can get there, and then from there we'll find resistance and we'll see what's next. But that's my take on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.